Hi, this is Mobile Max, and today I want to show you the towel rack here. I kept on drilling holes, and the holes get larger and larger to hold your towel rack on to the drywall. I found something 10 times better. These toggle switches here. See these things? The toggle switches. These things, spring-loaded toggle switches, are the best. See that? They're spring-loaded. And you put them in behind the drywall. See, they're spring-loaded so you can pop them through the hole. And then the screw's long enough to go in behind the drywall. And you got a much better, solid foundation for your towel rack here. Toggle fitment and a long screw. These are 1/8 by 2 toggle. Anyway, that's what I'd start tell you today. Putting the towel rack on the drywall, you use these spring-loaded toggle bolts. Yeah, they're called toggle bolts. Spring-loaded. That's the way to go. Alright, this is Mobile Max signing off.